Hello students, we have seen how to calculate arithmetic mean through all the methods in all the series. Now what happens is that when we calculate arithmetic mean, many times mistakes happen, okay? So in this we will see about those mistakes. What is the first one is that sometimes it happens that some other number is given and instead of that we write any other number by mistake, okay? So how can we correct that? That is known as corrected mean, and we will see how to do that. After that we will see one more topic that is related to missing frequency. That is when we are not having any number or missing value, how can we find that? See here in corrected mean we have one question. Marks obtained by 100 students are estimated to be 40. So the average or mean here is given to us. Later on it is found that one value was read as 83 instead of 53. It means that we were supposed to write 53, but instead of this we have written 83. Okay. Now we have to find the corrected mean. This mean is wrong one. We have to find the correct. See here the formula used is mean is equal to summation of x, whatever wrong value that we have, plus correct value, this is our correct value, minus incorrect, this is incorrect value. Okay, let us see how we will approach. Firstly students, we need to find summation of x. This we are not having. So how can we find is that, see here, we know that mean is equal to summation of x upon n. Okay, so from here we can find the value of summation x. Look here, mean we are given with 40 is equal to summation of x we don't know, n number of observations we are having 100. Okay, so when it will go this side it will get multiplied and we will get the value of summation of x, which will come to 4000. Okay, now we will put everything in this formula and we will get the correct value. See here, mean how much it is given. See here, mean we don't know the value because this is the right value that we have to find. Wrong value of summation x 4000 we are having, plus correct which one it is 53. Okay, plus 53 we will do, minus incorrect by mistake which we have written 83 upon n. N is our number of observation, that is 100, and this will be our correct mean. Okay, so we just need to solve this. See here, 4000 plus 53 will be 4053 minus 83, which will come to 3970. Divide by 100 and we will get our correct mean as 39.70. So students, this is how we can find the correct value of mean by applying this formula. Okay, now we will see the next topic which is related to missing frequency. So students, here we have a question which is related to missing frequency. In this question you can see that it is a question related to continuous series. The frequencies of all the class is given, but in one of the class we see that 40 to 50 it is written f, which means frequency. Okay, so we don't know the value, we have to find it out. Let us see how we will find out. First of all, the formula here used will be the basic formula that we use in direct method of continuous series. Okay, summation of fm upon summation of f, this will be used. If it would have been discrete series, here it will be summation of fx upon summation of f. Okay, so summation of fm, it means that firstly we need to find out the mid value here. Clear? So let us do it. M, mid value, 10 to 20, it means 10 plus 20 30 divided by 2, that is 15. So it will come in series only, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. Okay, it will be like this. Then students, what we need to do is, see, f also we are having, m also we are having. As per the formula we need fm, so f into m we will do. Okay, f into m, then only we will get the value of fm. So here we have f, here we have m. 15 5s are 75 here. Okay, then we have again 75, 35 into 4, 140, 45 into f. Keep in mind here it is f. Okay, so 45 into f, it will be 45 f. 55 into 2, 110, 65 into 6. Okay, it will be 390, and the last value is your 975. So this is, we have got fm. Okay, now what we need to find out? Summation of fm. This means that we have to add all this value. Okay, when we will add, students, what you have to do here is that add all the values except this one. Okay, why? Because here variable is also given, so it will not be added with this numbers. So add all the numbers and write this one separately. It means that it will be like this. Here I am writing 1765 plus 45f. Okay, addition will come 1765 and 45f we have written separately. Summation of f, we need the addition of frequency also. So we will add all these numbers. 5 plus 3 plus 4, here it will be f, then 2, 6, 13. Okay, it will come to 33 plus f will write separately. Now all the values we have got, we have to put in the formula and we will get the answer. Summation of fm, it is this value. So 1765 plus 45f upon summation of f, this value 33 plus f. Yes, one more thing, students, here in this missing frequency question you will already be given the value of mean. Okay, so in this question it is given 52, that we will use here. Okay, 52, this is the value of mean, so here we will write the value of mean, that is 52, like this. Now solve this. Take this values this side. 33 into 53. See, it will be like this. 33 plus f into 52 is equal to this whole value. Okay. Now multiply this. 33 into 52. It is coming 1716 plus 52f is equal to the same value. Okay. Now 45f and 52f we will keep in one side, and 1716 and 1765 we will keep it one side. So your equation will be 1765 minus 1716, like this, which will come to 7f is equal to 49, and ultimately value of f, 7 will come this side, f will be equal to 7, which means that the missing value of our frequency is 7 here. Okay, so this is the way, students. It is very simple. You just have to use the basic formula, and here all you have to do is correct addition, and then you can find the value of missing frequency. Thank you.